Hey guys, I want to show you different ways you can attach your resistance bands to your feet or your furniture. There's lots of different ways to do it, so I want to take you step by step through how to do them. Now remember, it's so important to always inspect your resistance bands for any tears. Always make sure they're securely attached to things before using them. It's all about safety first. So one way to attach your band to your feet is to bring that band over the top of your feet here. Now bring that band around your foot on one side and then do the same thing on the other side, making sure it's nice and tight around your feet. You can do the same thing and make it a little bit tighter by taking both sides of the band around your feet here and then bringing it through for some higher resistance. And then you could pull your band that way. Another way that you can attach your band even to one foot is to do that same thing where you bring your band over the top and you're gonna loop it on one side and then the other side, just like that. And then you can again do that same thing with both sides of the band, looping it this way and then bringing it around your foot on each side. Just make sure that each side is, the length is the exact same on both sides. Now, there's different ways that you can do this standing up as well. One would be just to stand on your band. You just want to make sure that it's in the middle of your feet and not up by your toes where it can slip off. Another way that you can do it is just how we did when we're sitting down, taking that band over the top of your feet and looping it under this way and then again on the other side, just like that. That's one way. Another way would be to grab both ends of that band and just pull it up right there in the middle, just like that. That's gonna give you some more resistance. You can also just stand on your band this way. And then again with that single foot, it's the exact same thing if you're laying down. Wrap that band over the top and then loop it under one way and then the other way, just like that. So if we're gonna take our bands to our furniture, there's a few ways to do it on our furniture. One would be to take the band nice and long like this and wrap it around a leg. Now when you do that, you'll open one side of the band and put this right in the middle. You'll pull that through and that's gonna be how you attach your band that way. Now, if you would like to make your band a little bit longer, something you can do is to take another band and just put it right through like that, and then you basically have two handles, just like that. You can also just do a knot this way, like that, or you can hold it that way and then basically do that same loop where you're gonna bring one side of that band in through the middle and out, and that'll make it a little bit longer as well. Now the last thing I want to show you guys are a few ways to wrap the bands around your hands when you're holding your band. So one way would be if I'm gonna sit down and I'm gonna do a row, so I'm gonna wrap my band around my feet, loop it one way and then the other way. I can just hold my band like this. I can put my palms up and then wrap my band around. So hopefully you saw that. So I'll go nice and slow. So I'm starting here and I'm gonna clamp my thumbs down to hold the band in place, and I'm flipping my palms down and then pulling the band, just like that. You can even just grab your band, just a little bunch up the sides, and then row this way as well. Just make sure that you're holding on tight, your band's always secure on your feet or your furniture, and there's no imperfections in your band so that you don't risk them snapping or anything like that. So I hope that was helpful. If you guys have any questions about how to attach your resistance bands, just comment below and I will talk to you guys soon.